Hey guys, it's Tim here, licensed loan officer, and this is an updated video. Um, I had a previous video that I was running Google Ads for about I don't know 5 days, and it was going well. I was getting leads, my first Google account, and I got this email one morning that my account has been suspended for circumventing system policy. And I had no idea how to solve this policy. Um, so what I did, I started watching a lot of videos. I started reading articles. I was stressing out because what is cloaking and redirecting and all this stuff, manipulation. And I'm here to tell you that circumventing policy with Google, it's really a mystery. Um, it could be a number of things, but the good news is that I was able to get my account reactivated on the first appeal. Now, I did wait 7 days and I did a second appeal after 7 days, but it was 8 days total. And let me just kind of walk you through what I did and how you can fix your account. Don't get discouraged. This is what you do. So, the first thing I did is I went over to my actual landing page. I went to my landing page, edit page here, and I just started looking at it, and I realized that I didn't have this stuff on the bottom here. So Google, wants if you can't see it down here, but it's a contact us, about us, terms and condition, privacy policy. So I added that. I also went to Google Counsel. So this is very important here. This is how you're going to fix it now for you. Let me just go back here and I'm going to grab the URL for you. So I went there and started adding some privacy notices, some contacts, stuff like that. Then I went over to Google Counsel here. And if you go to Google Counsel, you can go to something called expect URL right here. Click on that. And as you see, I did every single page here, every single page, do every page. And I'm just going to do one here, hit enter here, and it's going to index it for you. So after that, you want to do a live test. You see this up here, live test. So click on live test URL. So click on that, and that's going to take a couple of minutes. Now, there's something else I did. I was using, I think, PayPal or credit card. I took the credit card, and I kind of like put a sheet of paper, and just so you see the last four numbers. I had that with a copy of my ID. I also gave them my company policy for marketing. I provided my Google page. I gave them, like a statement of my screenshot of my credit card where the payment's coming out of. I was just covering all my bases. So check your payment, check the recommendations on your ad. Just do everything. But I think this was the biggest thing right here. So after you do that, you're gonna hit view test page. So you're gonna hit that, click on that there. Now this is gonna show you all your codes on your page. See all the codes on your page? But that's not important. What's important here is more information. See this? Click on more information here. And I'm gonna try to zoom in on this page for you real quick here. Okay, so I zoomed in here, and this is the most important thing right here. You see how it says all resources are loaded? So what that means is that the Google bots are able to crawl your page. Now, if you see something where it says 1 out of 3 or 6 out of this many, then you need to fix that. And it took me a minute to fix it. I had to, another thing I did, let me show you this too over here. This is important too. Give me 1 second here. No, it's not what I want. I'm going to show you something else that you have to do that helped me a lot. I can't find it. It's the speed test. Let me just type it in here. Uh, Google speed test. Um, Google site speed. Okay, right here. So this is very important too, because if your page is slow, the bots only have like 3 or 4 seconds to crawl your page. So I realized that some of my images were kind of slow. So you when you get this suspension, look at everything, your speed, Google Counsel, your payment method, your offer, contact me. Just go through everything. And I didn't do this at once. It was over time as I watched different videos. Um, so as you see, it's 68. Um, that's not very fast, but anything over 50 is good because if it's under 50, the Google bots don't have time and they won't crawl it. So you see my images are very small. They're 30 because I had to shrink all my images here. My images are very small. So use speed, use the console, but I got it done. So it's kind of hard to explain, but I basically did everything. I redone it. Um, I something I did copy and paste. Like I have a lot of ads in different folders, and I just copy because it's the different same ads I use for Facebook. But if you copy and paste, um, sometimes the bots don't recognize that. So I had to type certain things. So it worked now. So that's how you fix it. I'm gonna put some links in the description, and I hope this helps. But don't get discouraged. I was upset. I was frustrated. What did I do wrong? I didn't cloaking. I'm not trying to play smart. I'm not doing anything wrong. But my account has been reactivated, and I'm gonna get my ads going. So hope this helps. I'm just trying to get back to the community and I'll see you again next time. Thanks.